kids' fairy tale adventures.
Long ago, a king and queen wished for a child. One day, their dream came true. A baby girl was born. King.
She is our joy, our little star.
Queen.
We shall name her Aurora.
They invited fairies to bless the child with magical gifts. Fairy 1.
I gift her beauty.
Fairy 2.
I gift her kindness.
Fairy 3.
I gift her wisdom.
Suddenly, a dark fairy stormed in. Dark fairy.
How dare you forget me?
Dark fairy.
On her 16th birthday, she will prick her finger and fall into endless sleep.
Queen.
No, please.
Good fairy.
Do not fear. She shall not die. She will sleep until true love's kiss awakens her.
The king ordered every spinning wheel destroyed to protect his daughter. Years passed, and Aurora grew with grace. Villager.
She is so gentle.
Child.
She plays with us.
Aurora.
I love the birds, the flowers, and every smile I see.
On her 16th birthday, curiosity led Aurora to a hidden tower. Aurora.
What is this strange wheel?
Old woman. Dark fairy in disguise.
Come, child, try it.
Aurora touched the needle.
Oh,
Falls asleep instantly. Good fairy.
Sleep, dear one. The whole castle shall rest with you until the day you wake.
A forest of thorns grew around the castle, hiding it from the world. Years passed. Travelers whispered of a sleeping princess behind the thorns. Night.
I will try. Struggles with thorns, fails.
Many knights could not break through. One day, a kind and noble prince heard the tale. Prince.
I will find her, no matter how far.
He crossed forests, rivers, and mountains, never giving up. At last, he reached the enchanted forest. The thorns parted before him. Prince.
This place is frozen in time.
The castle lay silent, its people fast asleep. The prince climbed the tower.
My heart tells me she is here.
On a golden bed lay Aurora, beautiful as dawn.
She sleeps like a dream. I will wake you, princess.
With courage, he kissed her hand. Magic filled the room. Aurora.
where am I?
Prince.
You are safe now, my lady.
Across the castle, everyone awoke. Cheers, laughter, and joy returned. King.
My daughter.
Queen.
At last you are awake.
Aurora.
Thank you, brave prince. Your kindness has set me free.
It was your light that guided me.
Together, they walked through the blooming gardens, hand in hand. In time, Aurora and the prince married, ruling with love and wisdom. And so, the curse was broken forever. Children, remember, kindness and courage can awaken even the darkest of dreams.
Wow, that was magical, wasn't it? Thanks for joining the adventure. Don't forget to smile, dream big, and believe in yourself. See you in the next story. It's going to be even more exciting. Bye-bye, little stars.